Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the how to make the simple inventory management system using Angular. So here, if you are collect as a kilogram, if you are as 2 kilogram, you are click 2. The price has been displayed here. If it is a fish need a gram, if it is a 500 gram, the price has been calculated. Reset, it has been reset. Okay, so there is a two option, gram and kilogram. Okay, what is the option you are selected? According to the option you are selected, the according to the option, and what is the quantity you enter on the quantity text box, based on the calculation will be calculated and display the answer. How to make this system step by step we'll teach. I'm going to go to F drive and to this one, Angular fish post. Here I'm going to install CMD. So I'm going to install Angular using white. You are using the white framework. You have to write width, sorry, not white, width. Click on this, get started. Click on this option, paste over it here, press enter key on your keyboard. You have to wait until the project installation has been completed. Here project name I'm going to give it here as Angular post. Select here as a Angular, press enter key, Angular. Select as CSS, press enter key. You have to select Alt and Shift key down and select no N, press enter key. You have to wait until the package get installed. Now you have type cd Angular post. Go inside the folder. I'm going to open on the folder in VS Code editor, code space dot. Open the entire project on VS Code editor. Now here you have to go to the src index.html. This is a single page application of Angular. You can see the index.html. It's called the upload, which is nothing but it go inside the folder. You can see the app routes. Routes is a routes working, it's a configuration. So this is the app.html. This is the HTML file, this is CSS file, this is a logic file. In Angular we have three different files. When you write the coding programming logic, we have to implement the TS file. When you write the HTML codes, we have to maintain the separate file which is the HTML. For the CSS, the SCCS, it's nothing but the advanced version of CSS. These three files are very important files. So yeah, what you are going to do is first I'm going to HTML. So what you're going to do is this is a simple design. Okay, I will be explaining design, so don't worry. So this is a design. This is design, copy, I paste it over here. All things control A to select all, delete them. You have to paste my code. This all code I provide in my website, you will be able to get them. Here I have created a simple container. This is a container class. It's a bootstrap container class. So bootstrap, you have to implement the bootstrap. You have to go to the index.html. Inside the add tag, you have to implement the bootstrap. So we have to implement the bootstrap. So yeah, no need the bootstrap. So we have to write it as a custom CSS on this here. Instead of bootstrap, you have to write the custom CSS. Okay, the content, all things have edited in the custom. Okay, I forgot it. So here the SCSS I had placed on the SCCS file. Here this content, all things you are design it. paste it over here. Okay. Now here HTML, you can see the container. Container is finished. Inside the container, we have created a card. The card here header. This is the header. This is style it. We have a field. When first one is a drop down. Drop down, we have select the. We can elect gram and kilogram. There will be the two options. If it is 1 mean, it is belongs to gram. If it is 2 mean, it belongs to kilogram. Okay, what is the option you have selected? Based on the option, the total will be calculated, whether you are going for the gram or kilogram. After that, we have another option. This is the input field which will be allowed to type quantity. What's the quantity you are going to select? Okay. When you go to the, imagine when you go to the shop, ask fish. If you want the fish as a gram, all the person are not getting the 1 kilo, 2 kilos. Okay, so the person is getting 1 kilo over 500 grams. So based on that, the quantity has been calculated and displayed. Okay, based on that, the quantity has been calculated and displayed. Okay, that's the thing we have to write. Okay, so that's how the quantity. Okay, so here we have to write a calculate button. What is the quantity I entered? This reset button. Simple form design. You can say simple form design. The simple form design. The CSS file you have designed as a container flags, display flags, justify content center. Okay, so just justify container center, display flags. Okay, I already tested the system. The justify container center, display flags. Okay, I already saw the demo. Okay, of the system. The system is work. So I will be running the system, and then you will be able to understand that one. The particular system is already running. I just stop it. Control C copy. Stop it. Rerun our project, the newly created project. Go to the terminal and open up the new terminal window. Type npm start command to run our project. The project is running. You have to wait until the project running completed. Okay. So now we don't need them. Now select this one, copy this code, paste on it over here. Yeah, we forgot to save the file. That's why. Yes, you have to save the file. Then we can get this output. So here we have a TS file. We haven't do anything here. Here we have made the HTML well and CSS well. Okay. So the TS we have to implement the logic of the program. So logic shall be implemented. The logic. The logic what you are going to do is you go to my. First you have to implement the form module. Okay, we have to implement the form module as a logic. So if you have to implement the form module, it asks the library. So this library we have a forms. This one we don't need the form module. We need it. Control S to save. After that, what I'm going to, I need another one, which is a this option. This all things we need. You just copy it, paste on it over here. This is the option, strings. This is all the variables we have to create. Option, quantity, and total. Here the total has been calculated. After that, we need another one, which is this calculate method and everything. This is all the functions. Copy this, paste over here. First, you have to check it whether it's working fine or not. Save all. Yes, now it's working. Now let's check it. Now it's working. Okay, you can see it has been okay. And created the 2 kilos. It's working. Now what I did here is, you can see this is a design. The design we have click the calculate button. What happens? It goes to the logic. There is a calculate. First you are, if you are any, it is fine. If it is error, it will throw the error. It will be get the quantity. What's the quantity you entered here? First you have to check whether the quantity is entered valid or not. After that, it is valid. If it is one, option is one mean, okay, this one is the options. That one is one here, 1 and 2. Okay, 2 1. Okay, so if it is 1 mean, gram will be calculated. If it is 2 mean, kilogram will be calculated. I have put it one price 140 for 1 kilo. Price has been, I set it as a 140. You can put whatever price you need. Okay, so based on the one, it will calculate it. Total we will be print out into the 2 decimal point. That's why you said it's a 2 fixed 2 mean it display as a 2 decimal points. After that, we have a reset button which is called the reset. All the form has been reset. That's a simple code we have written. I hope you guys will understood things well. This is all the source code I provide you. First you have to learn HTML, CSS and TSS. These 3 files we have to include the code. You can download and have the fun. Thank you for watching.